Hello viewers, welcome to our tutorial. We will be taking you on how to mask your DEM on ArcGIS Pro, the process and the methodology. Now here is the process, the workflow. Once you launch into your ArcGIS Pro, you add your data, you add your shapefile and your DEM. Then as you add your shapefile and your DEM, you write to analysis. Under analysis, you see what we call tools. You click the Add tools, you click on geoprocessing. From geoprocessing, you open to your special tools, extraction and extract by mask. Now we have launched it into our ArcGIS Pro. This is the interface of ArcGIS Pro. We already added our data so far. You can see we are under tools now. So you go to tools box, then you scroll down to Spatial Analysis tools. Scroll down, then you go to extraction. Under extraction, you scroll down to extract by mask. The input raster, you insert your DEM, your material, the DEM you are using for it. Your input raster, you insert your DEM, the material you are using. The input raster solve feature, you put your shapefile that will click to the shape of your shapefile. Then output raster surface, you choose the folder and then the naming. The folder that you want to save your work. You are searching for the folder. Let's call it cuts. Then you scroll down to save. .itf, and then you run your process. It will successfully be extracted by mask. So you untick the original DEM, then you untick your shapefile. You can see now. Please subscribe and like if you are watching this, so you can stay tuned to our next video. You can see we have masked our DEM to the size of our shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. Please do to subscribe to my channel, like and stay tuned to other videos. You can see how beautiful it is. Well, you can use it to start your analysis. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.